Here's a little bit of a cold start. It's in the mid 50s, so not really, but the 94 7.3 idi factory turbo. It has a Bang sidewinder kit Gen 2, stage 1 injectors from R&D, 110 pump with RD4 internals, really custom internals or custom fuel curve from classic diesel designs. Too bad. The idle is set a little high, so I'll have to fix that. But yeah, not too bad. I'll show you a little glimpse here. I'll turn this light on. What I got going on. It's not completely finished. I don't even have the transmission in. There's the transfer case on the table. But yeah, looks kind of cute. Got some new AGM batteries. Here's my transfer case. Don't mind the mess. Here's my new, even got my temperature sensor, which isn't really necessary for these transmissions, but I had it, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Works well. I just rebuilt it. Here's the old synchros. Here's fourth gear, non-existent. That's what it should look like. Cool. Input shaft, destroyed. Cool. Got them ladder bars too. Ooh.